Hello, good day to you. Top of the day greetings to you. This is the voice of Gracie, your smartphone productivity coach. And right about now, I'll be taking us on how to use the Canva app. Okay. Now, Canva is such a beautiful app, really. It's so beautiful. It has plenty templates. It has one of the highest templates in in mobile or not just in mobile. It has one of the highest templates of graphics, and the graphics cut a lot, cut across um so many applications that we might you need designs for. You can design your video, you can design short clips, you can design logos, invitations, certificates, book covers, and even design your business card with Canva. So Canva has a whole lot to offer. Okay, and you really don't need you need little or no experience in designs to actually come up with a good template, because Canva usually has a whole lot of templates for you to select on. But one thing that would be that actually make you stand out as a graphic designer is that you know your you know the art of bringing colors together. You have a knowledge of infographics. You know the difference between the flyers, the poster, invitations, and social media posts, and you are knowledgeable about color combinations as well. So all these fundamentals actually makes you stand out while designing. Okay, so in case you've not heard of Canva, now you have. And if you have, please, there's so many things to explore. There's so many things to explore. You don't become a pro in one day. Okay, you don't become a pro in one day. You keep on developing yourself. You just keep on developing yourself. You keep on designing and putting things together. Before you know, people begin to admire your works. Before you know, you become good at what you do. Okay, so let's just pick up something that we can design. Then you can look at the lower part of your screen. You have the template. We're in the template section. Okay, the next is your design. That's all designs that I have. These are designs I have done with my on this Canva. Okay, so template. What do you want to do? Do you want to make an announcement? Whatever it is that you want to do, you can always search. Okay, this search option here. You click on the search option to search what you have in mind. Okay, let's say it's a wedding invitation, for instance. Okay, now you have plenty templates up on weddings. Okay, and you would have to check what's actually looking close to what I have in mind. Irrespective of the color, you can always edit them. Okay, I think I like this, so you can always change it. That's edit. Okay, you click on the edit button, and when you come here, you you start with the colors. You can start with the colors. You can start with the text. Okay, don't forget that what you want your audience to see. The first thing you want them to see is what they would see. So how bold is your text? How colorful are your designs? Can you see the way I actually like this particular one, because the first thing that you're saying is save. Then your eyes goes to the next thing, the date. You can see D is deliberately smaller, then date is a bit bigger. And the date is now down 12 13 2018. That's 12 13 18. You can easily, you're already engaging the your audience. Whosoever is looking at this, you're already engaging them. Plus the small colors at the foreground as well. Those little two dots at the foreground. Okay, so you can choose to edit them. If you don't like the color, you can change the color. Okay, I just changed it to white now. Okay, you can always adjust your color. Perhaps it could be the color of the day. All right, so if I don't want this to be blue, I can always come to my color palette. Can come and change the date, okay, the color, right? Okay, and if you're not comfortable with any of the shades here, you click on this plus button. Okay, it takes you to the custom palette. Okay, it takes you to the custom palette, so you can choose to what level of saturation that you want your color to reflect. Okay, you can always change. You can make it dark, make it whatever it is that you want. You can actually adjust it to suit your taste. Okay, can you see what I'm doing? I'm just trying to adjust it. Okay, I'm just trying to adjust. So you just click on the particular thing that you want to adjust, and you adjust it. Okay, you change the color rather. Can you see? I'm actually being deliberate. The colors that I want to actually that I want to be pronounced, I'm making them pronounced. Okay, now to the names here, I'll just click on the names. I'll click on the color. I'm seeing blue. Click on the color. I can choose to change the color if I wish. Okay, if I wish, I can lose. Then if you want to go back, maybe you did something that no, you want to correct. You see the arrow at the top left of the screen. Click on it. Let's take you back to what it is before. Okay, then you can always you can choose edit the font size. Can you see League Gothic where you see 20 here, and this arrow that is curved downwards to give you options? When you click on it, you have plenty of options. Okay, you have plenty options. You can choose to change the okay, then you can always remove the words if you need to change them. Okay, you can always edit your text rather. Gabriel and Gabrielia. Okay, you can always choose to give it what you want, the feel that you want. Okay, I don't think they hold weddings on Thursdays, so I'll just put Saturday. Okay, if you feel it's not at the middle, you can always adjust to make it fit. Okay, so can you see we have a wedding card ready? Then this dot, if you don't want it, or you want to change where it is, okay, you can adjust. You are a creator. When that's one thing I like about fashion designing. You can even adjust the size of these things. Maybe you don't like the size, you can adjust the size. Okay, don't do exactly what you see on Canva and just or any this thing and just leave it like that. No, you can always choose to edit, create something. You just have a template to follow. It doesn't mean that you must necessarily abide by the template. Okay, if you want to change these colors, can you see the colors beneath already? That means I can change it. If I click on this, it will take me to color palette for me to change the colors. And you can also reduce the saturation. You can make it transparent and non-transparent. Okay, if I click on this transparency tool, can you see that it's going dim? It's going dim. And you can also choose to duplicate. You can duplicate. Can you see this very close to this, something that looks like a dustbin, a basket? That's the delete option. Okay, That's the delete option. Then the very one close to the dustbin basket, moving forward, is the copy. So if you click on it, you can always copy. Okay, imagine that I want to use this as a background, like a foreground for this design. Okay, I don't know if you're following what I'm doing. If I want to delete, I just click on the basket and I've deleted. Okay, so I can just keep on copying, and you can adjust. Can you see I just did something creatively? Can you see that? So everything now is now inside this it's just it's not looking as if it's at the foreground. Meanwhile, the only thing I just did was to just reduce the transparency, make it very light, desaturated it, and see what I've okay, so you can do, you're a god when you are creating, when you are designing. Permits me to use that. You're a god. You can create what you want, how you want it to be. Okay, right now we have a wedding this already. We have a wedding what's it called now? I want that save to be very pronounced. Okay, let's leave it this way. Okay, so save the date. Yeah. Then you can always look at the plus button. Click on the plus button that is down below the screen. Okay, you can always choose to do something. Choose to add. You can add. We know how to add text, right? Just click on text, then you can enter your text. Okay. If I want to add my text, I'll just click on add text, and I reduce it to size. If I click on it, I can text. I can type anything that I want to type. Okay. Then you can add images too. To take you to your gallery. Okay. To take you to your gallery, or to take you to, when you click on image, you can browse for image. You can search for images. Maybe you want image, or maybe you want WhatsApp image, you want a WhatsApp icon, rather anything that you want, you can, or you want a phone, any image that you need to. Okay, let's say a ring. Since this is more like a wedding, let's look for a ring. Okay, like a wedding band. I want a wedding band. Okay, can you see all the options that I have here? Okay, so let's just go for this. Well, for the sake of this thing. Okay, so where can we fix this? Okay, well, I think if I want to use it, I have to edit the background. I have to remove the background using the background remover. I'll just have to edit. If there's no background, I can paste it anywhere. I think I would like to paste it up above, but because of the background, it's actually making it odd. Okay, and I really love to put it at the background, like it to be at the back completely of this text. So the idea of this is just to let you know that you can actually add. Okay, then you can even add a video. If it's a video that you want, you can add a video. Just click on it, stick it to your gallery. Okay, you can add a video. Or what else can you add? You can add stickers. If you don't want, you can search for the particular sticker that you want. Isn't this awesome? So this can serve as your GIF, your GIF. This thing. Then you can add illustration. What do you want? Do you want shapes? Do you want frames? Do you want illustration? So you can always search. Maybe you want circle. You can just search for circle. So it will bring out up the options of circles for you. Can you see? Lovely, right? So you can just choose to do something, just do something creative. Okay, you can just choose to do something creative. You can change the color. Just use the colors we've been using before. Okay. Then I will just go ahead and duplicate. Click on duplicate just before that dustbin. Duplicate and just stick it somewhere, maybe up. Can you see? Just added something to this work, and it's making it look more mature and beautiful. Okay, what else you can add? You can choose to add another template, logo, or page. Okay, can you see other templates? Maybe I don't like it. I want to now change the whole thing. You can always change and readjust. Okay, so Canva is really, really very, very beautiful. Canva is beautiful. If I want to add more pages to this, okay, especially when you want to make a post on your Instagram handle, you can just slide. By the time you slide, you have another blank this thing. Maybe you want to add more information about this webinar. Just go here, type again, go here, type again. Okay, when you are done, you have 3 slides, and it's counting. Look at the lower part of your screen. The left, is it left now? Yes, the lower left part of your screen, you have 3. Okay, I have 3 pages that is opened. Okay, so in case if I have something in the second, I'll see. If I have something in the third, I'll see. If you want to delete, so just delete with the dustbin option here. I like calling the dustbin the trash option here. Okay, so that's just it. Canva is really, really very, very simple and beautiful. It gives you a whole lot of options to choose from. And so when you're done, you click on, you see the arrow. Look at the top right part of your screen. You see the arrow facing up or down. Just click. Up is to upload, down is to download. Okay, so you click on it. So we want to save as what? Save as image. You click on save as image. It prepares your design and gives you the option to now share. So where do you want to share to? Okay, if you want to share whatever it is that you want to share, you can share your work. Okay, if I want to post it on the group, I can come into the group here and post it. Okay, but before posting, I need everybody to look at this. Before posting, please make sure that you remove this. Okay, make sure that you remove this. Don't let everybody know that you actually did your work from Canva. Okay, please always remove before you post. Okay, so once I know I'm set like this, I'll just click the green button and voila, you have it on the group chat. Is that fine? So thanks for watching. I want you to duplicate this. Thank you.